Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna do a eyeshadow review on the Revolution X Soph collection. And this is the Extra Spice edition. I wanted to do this I wanted to do this just to have more content. I mean, I just bought it today at Ulta. And speaking of Ulta, your boy may or may have not have gotten a job at Ulta. Y'all, when I tell y'all I've been wanting to work at Ulta for fucking years. I'm not gonna cry, but I'm just so happy that I'm like, this is like one step closer to me following my dreams as a makeup artist. Like, I can't believe it. Like, I even told her, like, it was so weird because like I didn't even like apply or any, like I did apply. I'm just sending an application tonight, but I walked in and me and the manager were like having a conversation. She said, oh, like, you know, we need people for the seasonal and shit. Fast forward, I'm gonna get a call on Tuesday. I'm so happy, like, oh, I can't believe it. Anyway, so yeah, in celebration of this, I bought this. I've been eyeing this palette for a minute, and it's on sale. It was only like $10. It was 40% off, I believe. So yeah, that's the only reason why I grabbed it. I grabbed this, and like they have Revolution Pro now at Ulta, so I grabbed like a blurring stick. I wasn't gonna review that either because I wasn't gonna review that because, you know, it's a primer, you know, whatever. But I am gonna review this eyeshadow palette. So if you guys want to know how I do with this, keep on watching. Okay, so once you open the palette, it does look like this. These are the colors right here. I'm sorry, I don't want to blind you guys. These are the colors right here. They're really pretty for the fall time. Like, this reminds me of the fall. Like, maybe that's why it's called Extra Spice, because pumpkin spice latte. But anyway, I'm gonna swatch a few colors for y'all. Y'all know the drill. I'm not gonna swatch every color. I'm only gonna swatch the colors that I like. Selfish things. But anyway, alright, I'm gonna swatch the color Infinity. Oh, hey y'all, you see me in the camera? And out. So yeah, let me see. This is Infinity. It's like a silver metallic. Whoa, that is everything. Wow, that's everything and more. And that's on period. The next color I'm gonna swatch is 21. It's like this bright little coral color. It's really pretty. I like it. Looks promising. Let's see. It's good. It's cute or whatever. You know, it's not the most pigmented color. It's cute. Let's do one more. Let's do another metallic. Let's do Romance right here. It's like a violet, like a plummy color, a plummy metallic. Ooh, that's pretty. It's cute. I think my favorite one is Infinity because it's like ba-ba-boom, bitch. It's fucking vibrant. Everything else is like a cutie. Like, this is like a shimmer, and this is like a metallic, you know? Like, metallics are more intense, and then shimmers are like, it's a dainty, cute moment. So yeah, oh my god, I look so, like, contrast is horrible. I'm using the Juvia's Place palette. I'm at the Juvia's Place foundation, and I did not obviously get my correct shade. Don't come for the queen, period. Anyway, let's start and do a look with this. Okay, I'm so excited. I be right back. Alright, so y'all know the drill. Primer, what it is. The Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden. Duh, dummy. I'm gonna take it on my lid. So, like I'm starting to do, I like to pack on my inner corner with a pigmented color, with the darkest color. So I'm gonna take the shade 21 right here and pack it on my outer V. And this is on a Morphe M433 brush. Now I'm gonna take the shade Sweet and Sour, this one right here, right next to 21, and I'm gonna put it on like right above where the faded part is at, right here, just so it won't be no harsh lines and everything. I love a seamless blend, so that's gonna help it more. And this is on a Morphe M441. Now I'm gonna do my technique that I like to do for cut creases. I'm gonna take the primer potion. The reason why I like it is because it has like this little paddle thing, and it makes it so easy to cut the crease. So if you guys don't know, the technique is I did it last video with the gray cool tone look. So if you guys want to see how I do it, check out that video. I'm gonna just speed through it this time just to show you guys. Alright, so now to deepen out this like outer corner, I'm gonna take the shade Mold Wine right here, and I'm gonna put it right here just to like blend out that cut crease, the eye primer, just so there won't be no harsh lines. Okay, so for my ship on my lid, I'm gonna take the shade Romance right here, and I'm gonna do it like up to here, like halfway through the lid, so it can have a little effect, go with the wine theme, and be all cute and sexy. So I'm gonna flip the brush over, boop, wait, boop, and I'm gonna take the shade Dreams, this gold color in the corner, and put it on the rest of my lid that's white. So yeah, like right here, right here. Alright. I'm gonna lick the brush. I know this is disgusting, but I don't feel like going to my setting spray and then do all that, wasting setting spray, wasting money. So like a little tap, and then dig in. For my inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade Everyday right here and put it on my inner corner. So I'm gonna wet a little bit like that just to intensify it, and then just go in. So this is what it looks like. It looks fucking stunning. I'm gonna come back with the finished face and the finished review. Okay guys, so this is the final look. How do you guys feel? Okay, I used the Essence lip liner, and this is in the shade 03 Deeply Intoxicated. And then I used the Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Spice as lips. And then yeah, I added a mole because I'm feeling really cunty right now, like oh my god. See, this is like a date night look type of eye. Like I'm feeling like this is like if you going out to a date or something, like if you planning on getting some bomb ass honey, this is the eye bag. Follow this tutorial if you want something. Okay, if you're going to a restaurant, Olive Garden, Applebee's, Fridays, McDonald's, who gives a fuck as long as you're going out with your man. Period. Anyway, so what I think about this palette, I fucking love this palette. This is a passable ass palette. If if there isn't one. Like the mattes are so buttery. The only thing I have to say is the shade 21, the bright corally color right here. I had to like I only had to do it twice, but like pack it on twice, because when I blended out the first time it was fading a little bit, so I had to like really ensure that pigment with the second packing. So yeah, that's the only gripe I have. Everything else is everything. I love this palette. This is my first Revolution palette I have, and I plan on hopefully buying more. So if you guys want me to review more Revolution palettes, comment down below which other Revolution palettes you want me to review, and I would probably do it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, you already know Tazoo honey, give me a big old thumbs. Okay guys, I love you guys so much. And yeah, I love you my moon babies.